If you're wondering when and how to sign up for Medicare, this video is for you. We'll break down step by step and walk through the most important time periods so you can avoid penalties and make sure your healthcare coverage is ready when you need it. Let's start with your initial enrollment period, or IEP. This is your first chance to enroll in Medicare, and it lasts for 7 months. 3 months before your 65th birthday, your birthday month, and 3 months after. If you enroll in those first 3 months, your coverage usually starts the month you turn 65. Take Linda. She turns 65 in June. That means her IEP runs from March through September. She signs up in April, and her Medicare starts June 1st, right on time, with no penalties or delays. There's a few ways you can enroll in Medicare: online at ssa.gov, by phone with Social Security, or in person at a Social Security office. You'll start by enrolling in Part A and Part B. Once that's done, you can decide whether to stay on Original Medicare, add a Part D drug plan, or go with a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as Part C. If you miss your initial enrollment period and don't qualify for a special enrollment period, your next chance is the general enrollment period, which runs from January 1st through March 31st each year. Don't wait. Sign up during that window because your coverage will begin the month after you enroll, and there's more. Missing your enrollment window can lead to lifetime penalties. For Part B, you'll pay 10% more for every year you delayed. For Part D, it's 1% more per month. These penalties stick with you forever, even if you later switch plans or move. Life happens, and Medicare gets that. A special enrollment period, or SEP, lets you enroll outside the normal windows if you qualify. You might qualify if you lose employer coverage, you move out of your planned service area, you qualify for Medicaid or extra help, you're released from jail, or even due to a natural disaster in your area. Tom worked past 65 and had employer health insurance. He retires at 67. Because he had credible coverage, he qualifies for a special enrollment period. He can enroll in Parts A and B without penalties, and his coverage begins the following month. Already enrolled in Medicare? Every year from October 15th to December 7th, you get a chance to review or change your plan. This is the time to recheck your prescriptions. Are they still covered? Make sure your doctor is still in your plan's network. Compare costs, benefits, and out-of-pocket expenses. Whether you have Original Medicare or Medicare Advantage, this window is your chance to make sure your plan still fits your needs. Let's review the key points. Your initial enrollment period is 7 months around your 65th birthday. Missing it can mean delays and penalties. You may qualify for a special enrollment period. Review your plan every fall during open enrollment. Enrolling at the right time keeps your costs low and your care uninterrupted. Not sure what to do next? Visit MedicareHelpHub.com for free tools, expert help from licensed agents, and answers to your Medicare questions. Like, comment, and subscribe for weekly Medicare videos made simple.